Hey everybody, this is Chris from Enduro Engineering. Today we're going to be talking about the all-new radiator guards that we just came out with. Super easy to install, and it has really good side impact and front impact. With easy installation, the installation time is about 2 minutes per side. Check out our installation video in the separate link on our YouTube channel. Alright, so our new braces simply install into these two mounting points here that reuse the OEM bolts. And then the shrouds will bolt back into this side billet piece, which is machined on a curve to give a little side impact cushion. But they're real strong. We haven't had one move yet, but if it does, there's an extra cushion in there. And we'll test it out here in just a second to show you. And another cool feature is the rubber cushions we put in here for the front impact. So if this does vibrate around or something, you're not going to get any noises or anything like that. So. Alright, so now we're going to take a swing at seeing how much pressure we can put on these before anything gives. Looks like it's holding up pretty good. Alright, so this is the new Enduro Engineering front radiator guard, and they're in stock, ready to ship. You can give us a call at 517-393-2421 or go online to www.enduroeng.com.